So when I decided um, what I was going to do for making these cool things is I'm going to grab a seat here. For making these cool things is I wanted to have something that had some detail to it so that I could show what the glazing does when I do the painting. And as I said earlier, it's like I wasn't sure where this whole video was going, but I wanted to create something uh, so that I could show the process that I go through. And I don't know all the things that we need to know, or that I need to know when I do this. So actually, these four designs that I have, um, there's one green man. Uh, there's what I call Green Man number 2. He looks a little bit more like a wizard. And the third one is this flower maiden that's on the machine right now. And the last one is a rooster, because I like roosters. And I had a beautiful rooster one time. We called him Big Max, and he just had some beautiful colors to him. It was absolutely gorgeous. And when you look at chickens and roosters and stuff, they're actually very attractive, very colorful birds. I mean, they're pretty. They're downright pretty. So the rooster. So two green mans, Green Man, the wizard, the flower maiden, and the rooster. They're all going to go and decorate my garden room. And quite honestly, I didn't know that they were going to be used to decorate my garden room until I did my introductory video and I said they're going to decorate the garden room. And I was showing you that a little bit. So that's the interesting side of that story is I learned that at that time. Okay, so let's go and load up the machine with the sign foam that I'm going to be using. These are going to be made out of HDU, or high density urethane. The brand that I'm using is Sign Foam, and this particular one is Sign Foam 4, which is 18 pound. It's pretty nice density, cuts nice detail. It's pretty nice stuff. So let's go get the machine loaded up and let's get started. record button. So this is all clamped up. You can see I have that clamped with a piece of angle iron across there. And then I have these clamps in the front here that I move them along so that I'm going to clamp here and clamp here. You know, so that the two clamps are in the right places. That way there, that's pretty stable. And then, so that's the Green Man 1, the first one. And I'm going to do, that's my next video to do that. I'm going to get a little bit more detailed in all the cutters, feeds and speeds and all that kind of stuff. This was Green Man number 2, the one that looks like a wizard. I've got that off on the side. This one I just did today. While I was sitting out front, I told you I had the Flower Maiden running on the machine, and that's what was here. This is going to be the rooster. So as long as I have enough room, I might need to readjust the clamps so that my cutters don't come around and hit the clamps. I've done that a few times, not just the first time. But it messes up the cutter. So those are the, that's where I'm at this point in time. I did some testing on the Flower Maiden and some interesting things to talk about with the cutters and, you know, finish tool paths and 1/8, 1/32, you know, so on and so forth. So I got some nice details to talk about on that. And, but anyway, the next video is going to be about Green Man 1. So see you then.